Paano po ang secret to last?
You should act like a woman.
And here's a good advice about love and how to last in a relationship. This is Pinoy Extreme with Mama Ricky and Mama Rene. Let's do this.
This is Pinoy Extreme.
And feel like a woman. Kumbaga, dapat submissive ka. Hindi ka dapat modern na babae. Kasi pag nag-modern ka, chances are, you will lose your husband. Because you will use all your right, dapat ganito, dapat ganito. Walang dapat pag nagmahal ka. Pag mahal mo ang tao, nandyan ka para sa kanya. Whatever comes, you'll just take it into your heart. Ganun lang.
Most of the modern women are very imposing when it comes to their values. Dapat ganito ka, kasi ganito ako. Dapat ito yung gawin mo, kasi ito ginawa ko. At kung ano-ano pang nakaset na dapat maging tayo. And in the end, nawawala or na-obliterate, natatabunan kung sino talaga tayo. Just so that we could maintain that relationship. And it's going to be very costly. Why? Kasi hindi mo na makikilala yung sarili mo. And you will be in a relationship that you are not even being your true self. Nagtago ka na doon sa mga persona na maskara mo para lang makip mo yung babae. And at what cost? Yung totoong ikaw. Yung kalayaan mong maging ikaw, and later on, hahanapin mo yung kalayaan na yun sa ibang tao. And again, that's where you are going to start to lose not just yourself, even your partner. Love is not breathlessness. It is not excitement. It is not the promulgation of promises of eternal passion. That is just being in love, which any of us can convince ourselves we are. Love itself is what is left over when being in love has burned away. Ang totoong pagmamahal ay yung kagustuhan mong danasin lahat ng pakiramdam kasama ng iisang tao. Kahit masaya, kahit mahirap, kahit malungkot, kahit nakakatakot. It's your choice that would matter sa relationship nyo. Kaya nga ang marriage vow natin is in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, till death do us part. And that vow means that you are going to be better for the person, and hindi nyo lang tatanggapin ang isang tao or ang isa't isa dahil lang sa maganda yung sitwasyon nyo. Kundi tutulungan yung mag-improve yung isa't isa, alamin yung kanya-kanyang takot, para mas mapabuti pa yung sitwasyon nyo. This is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.